In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your BandLab projects into Cakewalk Next. So this is actually super simple. All you have to do is open Cakewalk Next. You want to go to Help up top and you want to click on Sign In. Now from here, it's going to direct you to BandLab's website, which looks like this. And here you basically have to sign into your account you want to use with BandLab and then Cakewalk Next as well. And you'll be able to find all the projects in there. So my main account is on my main Gmail over here. I'm actually going to sign in with Google right now, and I'm going to press continue, and it's going to sign me in automatically. So there we go. As you can see, it says sign in successful. I can now close this, and I'm now signed in. You can see here it says I'm signed in. Now from here, to actually import the BandLab projects, you simply want to go to File, top left, and you want to go to over here where it says Open Project. You can click on this, switch to Online Projects, and here you can find all your online BandLab projects. So I'm just going to go with this My Song over here. I'm going to double click on it like this, and there we go. It's now fetching, downloading, etc. And then I'm going to simply click on Yes over here, and there we go. It's going to open my BandLab project inside Cakewalk Next. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.